Ever wondered about the potent power of cardamom? This small green pod might seem unassuming, but it's a veritable powerhouse of health benefits, particularly when it comes to strengthening our internal organs. Cardamom, also known as elantai fruit, is a treasure trove of nutrients. Just 100 grams of it boasts 74% calories, 17% starch, and nearly 1% protein. It's also a source of mineral salts and iron. But that's not all. Cardamom is rich in vitamins A, C, B3, and B6. Each of these play a crucial role in maintaining our health. Vitamin A, for instance, found in abundance in cardamom, is a critical nutrient for our eyes. It can alleviate eye irritation and ward off eye-related disorders. But what makes cardamom truly special is its high potassium content. This mineral is a powerhouse, providing energy to the body, making digestion easier, especially if cardamom is consumed after lunch. Moreover, cardamom is rich in water and fiber. This makes it an ideal fruit for those with body heat issues, as it offers immediate benefits. It also has properties that can enhance memory power. Cardamom also has the ability to dissolve harmful fats in the body and alleviate indigestion. It promotes a healthy bowel movement, making it a perfect choice for those aiming to lose weight. If you're dealing with excess bile, which can cause headaches, dizziness, and vomiting, cardamom can come to your rescue by resolving this issue. But the benefits of cardamom don't stop there. It's also a powerful tool in delaying the signs of aging. It can even help prevent graying of hair. Cardamom is rich in calcium, acting as an excellent antioxidant. This calcium helps promote strong teeth and bones. If you're dealing with low hemoglobin, cardamom can come to your aid by increasing red blood cells and boosting blood production. It can also alleviate swelling and pain in hands and feet. The calcium in cardamom also controls vomiting and acts as an antioxidant. This is why cardamom can help reduce wrinkles, keeping your skin looking young and vibrant. So in a nutshell, cardamom is not just a flavorful spice. It's a potent health booster. From strengthening your teeth and bones, promoting healthy digestion, to delaying signs of aging, cardamom does it all. So the next time you see this little green pod, remember, it's not just a spice, it's a superfood.